Welcome to the AI Informer. We're delving into the revolutionary Samsung Galaxy Flip 5. Let's unfold the future together. The Samsung Galaxy Flip 5 is a marvel of modern technology, boasting a stunning design and a host of innovative features. Join us as we explore its capabilities and specifications. The Galaxy Flip 5 features a striking 6.7-inch Dynamic AMOLED to X display, offering crisp visuals and vibrant colors. Its folding design sets it apart, providing a unique and immersive viewing experience. Powered by an Octa-Core processor running at speeds up to 3.36 GHz, the Flip 5 delivers exceptional performance. With 8 GB of RAM and 512 GB of storage, this device offers ample space for your apps, games, and media. Capture every moment in stunning detail with the Flip 5's advanced camera system. The device features a dual 12MP rear camera setup with an f1.8 and f2.2 aperture, allowing you to take clear and sharp photos even in low light conditions. Stay connected on the go with the Flip 5's dual SIM support. Its 3700 mAh battery ensures long-lasting performance, keeping you powered throughout the day. In conclusion, the Samsung Galaxy Flip 5 is a true masterpiece of design and innovation. Its foldable display, powerful performance, and advanced camera make it a standout choice for tech enthusiasts. Stay tuned for more tech updates and reviews on the AI Informer. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech news and reviews.